How to delete your Instagram account. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can delete your Instagram account. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up your Instagram. So now once you're in your Instagram, here in the bottom right corner there is the option of your profile. You have to click on it, and from here you have to click on these three horizontal lines that is in the top right corner, and from here you have to go on the settings and the privacy. Now once you are in the settings and the privacy of your Instagram, here you have to go on the account center that is in the top, and from here you just have to click on the personal details, and here is the option of the account ownership and the control. You have to click on it, and from here is the option of the deactivation or the deletion. Here you can temporarily deactivate or the permanently delete your account, and the profiles you have to simply click on it, and from here you have to select your Instagram profile, and once you select it, here you have to select the delete account option, and here you have to read the terms and condition that once you delete your Instagram account, you are also able to delete your account information, profiles, photos, and everything that is available in your account. You just have to simply click on the continue, and after that you just have to re-enter your password of your account, and you are able to delete your account successfully. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.